Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this basic Excel tutorial, I am going to show you how to stay in same cell after pressing Enter key. This is basic tutorial, but it can be great importance if you know how to do this in the right way. Take a look at here. In this workbook, I am going to write software knowledge and press Enter key. When press Enter key, the data in place in cell A1, but selection has moved down to the immediate next row. If you write something again and press Enter key, the same things will happen. How you do this? There are two methods. One method is to use keyboard shortcut key. Let me see. If I write data in cell E3 and press Ctrl plus Enter key, we can see the data is placed in cell E3 and also selection stay in cell A3. But always press Ctrl plus Enter key could be troublesome if we need this work frequently. To solve this, we can change Microsoft Excel default feature, and let me see how we can do that. Go to File menu, click on More option, click on Options, and then click on Advanced tab. Now take a look at after pressing Enter, move selections. Here in the drop down box, you have four options: right, up, left and down. That means if we select right, then after we press Enter key and selection will move to right cell. And if we select up, the selection will move to up. And if we select left, the selection will move to left. But right now, if we do not want to move the selection and to select that, we will have to simply uncheck this check mark and click on OK. Now if you write anything and press Enter key, the selection will be staying in same cell. Remember, the keyboard shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus Enter, to remain the same result. Now another example. We change selection, move direction to right. After right formula and hit Enter key, the selection move to right cell. Look again. Now I select remaining cells and press Ctrl plus R to copy formula to write. How to add multiple lines to text within cell. It is very easy, as you can see. Here are 3 groups and 5 teams in each group. How to write 5 teams name in a single cell. Let us see. Selection cell where you will write. Type first team's name, that is Pakistan, and press Alt plus Enter key. Type next team name, that is England, and press Alt plus Enter key. Type next team names, that is USA, and press Alt plus Enter key. Do the rest in same fashion. Usage of Shift plus Enter key. When you want selection will go one cell up after typing data. Press Shift plus enter key. See here. How to use Ctrl plus enter shortcut key. We can do type manually, but it is time consuming matter. First, select data table by pressing Ctrl plus A. Then press Ctrl plus G. Then click on Special tab. Select blank and hit on OK. Type text, that is A, and press Ctrl plus enter key. Here is another example. I will count how many staff present and how many staff absent. Here is look. First select all cell by pressing Shift and down arrow key. Type following formula as you seen on screen. Then press Ctrl plus enter shortcut key. Use of Shift Ctrl enter key. Let us look this example. Type following formula as you seen on screen. Press F4 twice for freeze entire table. Here is number 2 and 3 refer column number. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus enter for executed. See another example. Transpose data column wise to row wise by using Shift plus Ctrl plus enter shortcut key. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I also request to subscribe my channel to get similar kind of videos in future.